Can you dishwash your Fermzilla? Well, I don't know. Let's find out. I'm Dr. Hans, this is Dr. Hans Brewery, my channel about beer and homebrewing. I do these crazy experiments so you don't have to, so consider becoming a subscriber and yeah, like this video. Can you dishwash your Fermzilla? Well, this doesn't come from just anything, because I have been dishwashing my Fermentasaurus for years, but not the bubble or the collection jar, but all of the other stuff. I just thrown into the dishwasher at 65 C, that's 149 Fahrenheit, and it has been working great. So all I had to do was to clean the bubble, and I made this cleaning system from a pond pump, and yeah, the small ball is easy to clean out. But when the Fermzilla, everything is just like sticky now, because you really have to lube everything to get it to working. I don't know if you watched Slug's video where he shows how much lube he actually puts on it, and of course that will make a mess afterwards. I will link down below to his video, so go and check it out, and also consider subscribe to his channel. He makes some great videos about tips and tricks for the Fermzilla and more, of course. And speaking of links, first link in the description goes to BrewGoat, who is kindly sponsoring this video and yeah, helping me with the madness so I can do stuff like this. BrewGoat is your friendly neighborhood spider. No, that doesn't make sense at all. BrewGoat is your friendly homebrew supplier, which goes an extra mile for every customer, both online and at their store here in Stockholm, Sweden. Yeah, that sounds better. It has been working with the Fermentasaurus to throw everything besides the bubble. But now, when we have a shorter bubble, we have a wider mouth, because that won't fit into my dishwasher. But if I pull out the top basket in my dishwasher, the entire Fermzilla will fit in there. And yeah, as I said, with a wider mouth, it might be possible. I have been doing that for 65 Celsius, 149 Fahrenheit. But in the manual to the Fermzilla, it clearly says, do not go over 50 Celsius. But my dishwasher has two settings. One is for 65 Celsius, aka 149 Fahrenheit, and the other one is for 50 Celsius, 122 Fahrenheit. So we could be safe. Of course, this is an experiment. So if it fails, it's all on me. And yeah, I'm not risking too much because I can't use it right now anyways, because it has broke down on me. But we're gonna go through that when we do like the final review of the Fermzilla. Today is about cleaning. Can you clean the Fermzilla in your dishwasher? I don't have the Fermzilla here because it's in the dishwasher already. So let's go and get it and find out if it's a success. Okay, back with the Fermzilla 50C, and yes, to be fair here, I haven't measured the actual temperature on my dishwasher. It just said 50C and it said 65C. Okay, so we're showing like 40 Celsius, but I actually placed two probes in here. If we have a look at the other probe, we're seeing that we are measuring 84 Celsius. So let's have a look at the placement of the probes. So this one measures 40, more like an ambient temperature in here. And the second one that actually goes into the liquid that the Fermzilla actually was sprayed with measured 84 Celsius. So maybe don't trust those temperatures, really. So we still have a lot of, well, you can see it, there's still a lot of lube with, it didn't work with 50, so we need to go higher than 50 to get the lube off. Some lube there. Let me see if we, yeah, here also. Don't know how good you will pick this up, but there's a lot of lube still here. So 50C didn't make it really. So we need to go like 65. There's no issues on the parts so far, but wait for it. Here, here we have a small issue. Yes, the bubble didn't make it. Can we dishwash our Fermzilla? No, I still think it's a good idea to dishwash the other parts. I can't see that this part will suffer from it, but I would do 65C, 149 Fahrenheit. But like I said, I've never tried to dishwash my Fermentasaurus because it didn't fit in there. But I thought this could be a good experiment. And yeah, just to be frank here, if I didn't have this YouTube channel, of course I wouldn't have made this, because this was a fun experiment to try out. And yeah, I'm sure that BrewGoat will help me out purchasing a new bubble. But yeah, this was a cool experiment. So if you're into dumb experiments, I usually do like brewing experiments, but yeah, this was a cool thing to try out. So it's totally wrecked. So if you're into home brewing and yeah, experimental brewing, and sometimes yeah, just do weird shit, consider becoming a subscriber. Don't dishwash the tank at least. The other parts should be fine, but yeah, 50 degrees are too low. I think it's a good way to clean the other parts. And going over 65C, that means that you will pasteurize them, but don't do the bubble. Yeah, cheers guys, and thanks for watching. Dr. Hans out. Now, go and watch this video.